In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this easy and delicious portobello mushroom pizza. It's easy to make from start to finish and is topped with cherry tomatoes and hand-shredded cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese, all baked in the hot oven to perfection. This recipe is a low-carb recipe and it's perfect for those who are following a specific diet. To begin, go ahead and chop your red onion, and you can use any kind of onion you like. For this, we are using about a 1/4 cup of diced onions. Now, the reason why we're using this red onion is because I like the sweet flavor that the red onions have. So this will help to cut down the acidic flavor in the tomato sauce. Once you're done, go ahead and set that aside and chop your garlic and basil. Next, move along to your portobello mushroom caps. We are removing all the gills from the portobello mushroom. And for this, we are using 3 mushroom caps. And don't forget to remove the stems as well, as this will make it difficult for you to assemble your pizza. Once you're done removing the gills and the stems, go ahead and wash your mushroom and set it aside. Be sure to pat it dry once you're done. Next, go ahead and slice your cherry tomatoes. And for this, we are using about 6 cherry tomatoes, but feel free to add more if needed. In a medium-sized saucepan over medium heat, go ahead and add about a tablespoon of olive oil. Once it comes to temperature, go ahead and add in your chopped garlic. And for this, we use 3 garlic cloves. Next, add in a 1/4 cup of red onions. Continue stirring and cook for about 45 seconds to a minute. Next, add in your tomato sauce. We are adding in 1 cup of tomato sauce, followed by the fresh basil. And for this, guys, we used about 5 to 6 fresh basil leaves. And season with salt and pepper to taste. Once you're done, go ahead and stir it and bring it to a low simmer for about 5 minutes. After the time is up, go ahead and remove your sauce and set it aside. In a baking tray, go ahead and add in your portobello mushrooms and start to assemble the pizza, starting with your sauce. Fill in each cavity of the mushroom. Next, add in the cheese. And for this, we are using sharp cheddar cheese, and this was a block cheese that was shredded. And we will also be doing the same thing with the mozzarella cheese. And guys, you can also customize this recipe any way you'd like. You can add pepperoni or any kind of meat you'd like, or add in more veggies. And the full recipe with some tips is on the website savorythoughts.com. Guys, if this is your first time here, we certainly would love to have you back. We would love for you to go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our videos. Okay, so back to the food. Once you're done adding in the cheese, go ahead and top it with the cherry tomatoes. Once you're done adding in the tomatoes, go ahead and sprinkle a little bit more of the black pepper on top, but this is completely optional. This is just being added for extra flavor. And bake it in the oven 350 degrees for about 22 minutes. And that's it. Your portobello mushroom is ready for you to enjoy. with a nice salad. And if you need some salad options, we have it on our website at savorythoughts.com. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. We have lots of yummy goodies coming your way. Cheers!